Okay, again, guys, I'm out here shoveling. Tank top. I'm getting to work. I used to do this all the time, and now I'm getting back into it. Wait now, boys. If I get yelled at, I'm just gonna say, I was really, really hot, and I needed to cool down. I think this is a smart move, being outside in a tank top. It's only minus 12. Like, what could go any worse? Like, it's only minus 12. Like, not even that chilly outside. Average Canadian weather is supposed to be negative 20 or 40. Where's Tag? Yo, I can't wait to go out ripping tomorrow. I think we're gonna have a couple videos posted tomorrow. We're gonna be out freaking ripping the sleds and the fucking ATVs. And we have a lot of freaking snow, boys. Like, we have snow. I'm 5'3" and it's halfway up my body is snow. So, it's gonna be a blast. So, yeah, if anybody, any of my friends, family wants to hit me up and we'll go sledding and shit, give me a message and I'll reply back to you. I know who's probably wanting to go sledding with me. Oh yeah. A little chilly. Oh yeah, average Canadian weather right now, boys. Actually, it might even be more than negative 12. Which actually ain't even cold. Now, I'll probably say, like, the easiest money. Like, guys, I would probably say, like, the easiest money I've ever made is probably my ex dared me to, jump into the snow with no shirt on, and it was, like, negative 20 that day. And I got $50 from that. That was so light work. Like, so, pretty much free money for me, like. And the amount of shit that I break, I could probably use that money. Okay, boys, that's gonna be all for today's video. Bye. And guys, just to prove that I'm out here right now, tank top, yep, for real, boys. Tank top, yep. Jeans, boots, that's all you need.